Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 57 Chev. It's a 210 model. It's got a 283 under the hood, and it has got one slick black paint job on it. You guys that know cars know if you're gonna paint a car black, you have got to be a good body man. The guy that did this car did a beautiful job, man. That black paint has got beautiful reflections in it. The chrome too. Look at all the chrome on the front of this thing. All that chrome is brand new, looking sweet. All the emblems look brand new. The bullets in the hood look brand new. She is one amazing beast. Now this is also an award winner also. She is a beauty. All that trim going down the sides looking good. Just straight as can be. One beautiful ride right here, 57 Chev. Look at that interior, looking sweet. Open up the door here. Look at the dash, all the paint work in there, all the chrome work in there. Everything looks brand new. This is like a little time machine here. Take you back to 1957. That back seat. That upholstery, factory original upholstery appearing. Looking beautiful. Door panels are looking gorgeous. Look at the door jamb there. Look at that. They had the latch out, all the bolts out when they did the restoration. All the rubber's brand new. Look down that quarter panel. Look how straight that is. Of course, all the chrome back here is also looking sweet. Back bumper, all the emblems back here. Let's see, the trunk open here. Look at that. Now we do have the nut covers for it also. Those full hubcaps just really set it off. But if you're a nut cover kind of guy, they're right there in the trunk. Look down the passenger side, just like the driver's side, straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this rotisserie restored 57 Chev. Yeah, the bottom of it looks just as good as the top. First thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and they get inspected so we can answer every one of your questions. So feel free to call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about this car or any of the new cars we get in. Now we get about 40 new cars in every month and we put them all on YouTube. And if you want to catch them all, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button and you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. All right, black 57 Chev on the way, guys. Look at the reflections on that HUD. Isn't that amazing? Man, it looks good. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this 57 Chev anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this car and just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now we've got help with financing too. So if you want a little bit of help with financing, we got a whole team of bankers. All you have to do is make that phone call. They'll do all the paperwork for you. You don't have to do a thing. They will park this dream in your driveway. She is black and she is beautiful. We're gonna get it up in the air and we're gonna show you just how beautiful the bottom side is. And don't forget, we've got a whole team of mechanics, so if there's anything you want to add to this thing, just give Tom a call. He will put a price together for you and we'll get it right out to you. And we're very close to the airport. So if you want to come see it in person, we'd love to have you. Now look down here on the dash. The black dash is beautiful. The gauges are all beautiful. Even the horn ring is looking beautiful and working. Look at this. It's got the original AM radio in it. Isn't that sweet? Now, I don't know if there's any AM stations here to listen to. It is not making any noise, but it is there. I know you can have those suckers rebuilt with new technology and they still look old. The car's amazing, guys. It's got a lot of power too. We run some moonshine in this baby. Now we're close to the airport, so if you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. So come on down, come on up, come on over, wherever you're coming from. Just let us know you're coming. We do have a lot of cars in stock, so we may have to move a few around so you can get to your favorite car. So right now, we're gonna put this baby in the air, show you just how beautiful the bottom side is. So stick with us. This is our main facility here at 15100 Keel Street. All right, we're underneath this 57 now, and like I told you, she is pretty under here. Look at that primer, just like out of the factory. We got a brand new gas tank, brand new dual exhaust. The back sides of the quarters look real nice too. Look at that, all primered up, looking sweet, nice and clean. Now the rear end housing has got a 336 gear in it, and it is an open rear end. The brakes, the guys pull those apart and make sure they're all in good working order on every car. You can see everything under here super clean, floorboard super clean, frame is all painted up, we got new bushings here, and then look at this rocker. Beautiful. I always run my hand down these rockers. You always want to check this brace right here. This seems to be the first brace to go on every one of the cars. Everything here is nice and clean. Now the casting number on this cast iron Powerglide, it shows late 55, so it's a little early to be original, but it is date code correct. Under here, everything's nice and clean. Of course, the exhaust is still new. The steering gear, the guys will look at. The brakes, the guys will look at. You see new flex lines going to the brake cylinders there. Everything's looking good there. The cross member here is in great shape. All the bushings look good up in the front. The bumper looks just as nice on the back as it does on the front. This closeout panel here is nicely painted on the back. Front frame horns are nice and straight. I mean, everything about this car is slick. Now, it's got the bias ply tires just like it would have had back in the day. They're wide whites. It's got upgraded hubcaps on it. We do have the nut covers. They are in the trunk. You can see that the wheel wells are all nice and clean and nicely painted. Even the bottom edge of the fender there is nicely painted. You can see the bottom side of the rockers nicely painted. Again, more new bushings. Out back here, again, wide whites, and the tires the same size all the way around. We got 7.5 by 14s, and again, good looking hubcaps here. You see that lip there's nicely painted. Wheel wells all nicely painted. I mean, she's a beauty. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got the 283. Now, all the dates on this and the suffix line up, so this very well could be the original motor. It is a Powerglide suffix on the motor, so it's very, very close. If it is not the exact motor, it is very, very close to being the exact motor that would have been in this car from the factory. Now, it does suffix out as a 2-barrel, and everything's looking sweet under here. Firewall's nicely painted. You can see all the hoses have the GM markings on them. Everything on this thing just looking beautiful. It does have a generator on it. Inner wheelhouses are all nicely painted. They went as far as getting the old style battery look-alike in there also. Isn't that sweet? You can see up in this area here, all nice and clean. A lot of these 57s, they don't take the time to do this area here, which they did a beautiful job. Guys, this is one sweet automobile right here, top, bottom, inside and out. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.